Today, let's dwell a little more on the stories we believe in, which is of absolute reality to most of us. And let us examine and understand that dwelling on a story can be both helpful and also can create problems in our life if we only dwell on the stories which we believe in to be true and which could be true and which will be true. But most importantly, every story and every aspect of life which we believe in is based on certain principles which we believe in, which is related to a story which we believe in. What I say is, those principles which we have in our mind, those principles of life which guide us through our mind, those principles which manage all aspects of our life, which manage most of the decisions within ourselves, most of the decisions based on our future on an individual basis, is based on certain principles which we believe in and certain aspects of life which we believe in, which is based on a story which we have understood either from childhood or on any impactful way when the story was shared with us. Now our life is based on this particular aspect of our belief, based on the real aspects which we believe to be true in terms of principles of our life, based on the stories which we believe in. Now each of us on a grand scale within the universe, within the world which we live in, have stories within our societies, have stories within our nation, which is also absolutely true once we believe in. But it is not the importance of what we believe in into the future. It is not the importance of what our stories were, which were true to our thinking and to our belief. This is not what will be important into the future. As we know, most of the problems in the world today, most of the challenges in the world today is because of our focus only on the stories. As we mentioned in earlier chapters, the different interpretations of different real stories within humanity is one of the leading causes of most of the problems of the world. Stories are being understood in different manners, in different aspects, in different ways, which might not be agreeable to each other. And then conflicts arise because of different points of view of the stories which they believe in. Now, as we have said, anything to do with the future, any solution to the future, the goodness of health, wealth and spirituality in terms of well-being into the future will be to base all of our stories with the aspects of creativity, with the aspects of the creative force of the universe. Although our stories are important for ourselves, we will give it more importance in terms of the evolution of the creative powers of God, the force which we believe in, which is the force of creation. All of us essentially believe and understand that the energy of creation is what we revere, which we praise in our devotion to our faiths. It's the essence of life within our universe. It's the essence of the life-giving force within us, which we are grateful for. in our prayers, in our belief systems, in our cultures. That's the essence, the creation of the universe, the energy of creation. And once we give more importance to the creative powers of the universe, once we give more importance to creativity, all our stories will evolve and amalgamate into creative solutions. We no longer are giving a primary importance to the different interpretations of stories given by different people for whatever reasons they have given the interpretations for. Certain stories have been given interpretation maybe for better control of the society. But essentially, the story which was made, which has formed cultures, languages, traditions, which has brought people closer to God, has also created divisive forces. So we no longer into the future of the next 2,000 years and more, will not dwell on our stories alone. We will not dwell on our belief systems alone. We will embrace the power of the universe, the energy of the universe of creation, the energy which brings new life to a child, the energy which brings new learning to an infant while growing up, the energy which you see when you go out, the air that you breathe, the water, the wind. As I mentioned, all of this is a life-giving force sustained by an intelligence of creativity of the universe. New creations are formed. The difference between us and any kind of other species on earth is only our ability to create. So today, we will dissolve all of our problems associated with the stories which we believe in, which is absolutely true, but we will give it more importance through the energy of creation. And once all of us within humanity, irrespective of caste, creed, religion, color, sex, give more importance into the stories, give more importance into the belief systems of the creation of the universe, give more importance to the energy of the universe of creation to solve all of our problems. Our problems will be solved. So any kind of situation where there is a problem, where there is a conflict, where there is turmoil within our world, let's give importance to the creative aspects and let us give it a patient time for the creative solutions to evolve. It starts with meditating with the universal force around 3 times a day, around 15 minutes each, to get in sync with the creative energies of the universe, the creative mind of the universe, which is sustaining all life on earth, which is giving you oxygen as of now, which is sustaining the cells within your body, which is energizing all of those cells to work for you, to keep you alive. It's the energy of your soul which works in harmony with the energy of the universe to keep you alive. That energy will give you the solutions, no matter on an individual level or a bigger solution which is for the society, the country, the world which we live in. Give it the time, give it the reverence with the creative solutions of the universe. And once you meditate on a constant basis for some time, maybe a month or 2 months or 3 months, solutions will occur, not just on an individual level, to the greatest conflicts on earth, to the greatest wars on earth, to the greatest turmoil which is within the human minds. Solutions will occur, and the energy of creativity will bring new life into the future of our children, their unborn, future generations, the future of our world, the future of our planet, the future of our universe. Creative energies of the universe will work in our lives. Let's replenish our earth.